Let's start. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 and radius 60 is standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeters. So here I have a cone, this cone, and they said this cone is standing on a hemisphere. So here is the hemisphere. Okay, the cone is standing on the hemisphere. Is of 60 centimeter. Is placed upright in a circular cylinder full of water. Now this object formed with the help of a cone and a cylinder, and a hemisphere. This object with a cone and a hemisphere is placed in a cylinder. So it is placed here in this cylinder. Okay, it is placed in this cylinder, which was filled with water. Now we must know this is the water here. So our sum is about finding this volume of this water left in the cylinder. Now when you look at this, you know the volume of this water left in the cylinder will be volume of cylinder minus the volume of this shape, which consists of a cone and a hemisphere. Now let's go to the cone. Here we have the cone. This is our cone. We'll find the volume of the cone. So we have first shape is a cone. We'll find the volume, and of the cone the height is given as 120 centimeters and the radius of the cone is 60 centimeters. So volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and that is 1 by 3 pi. Your r here is 60 square. The h of the cone is 120. Here's the h of the cone, and here is the radius of the cone, and that works for the cone as 144,000 pi centimeter cube. That's of the cone. Now we get on to the next shape. The next shape we have is the hemisphere. Now let us find the volume of the hemisphere. So hemisphere, and for a hemisphere we require only one dimension, and that is the radius is given 60. So radius equal to 60 centimeters, and we know volume of hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 2 by 3 the pi, and the r is 60, so 60 cube. So 2 by 3 pi. So here again we have the volume as 144,000 pi centimeter cube. We have a third figure, and the third figure is the volume of the cylinder, the entire cylinder we need to find of this entire cylinder. So we go to volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. We keep pi here. We see the r of the cylinder is also 60. All three of them have the same radius, 60 square. However, the h of the cylinder is this, 180. So 180, and we work this out as 648,000 pi centimeter cube. Now the volume of this cone we saw was 144,000 pi, and the volume of this hemisphere was also 144,000 pi. So the volume of this solid, this entire solid here, this solid which is placed in the water, volume of this entire solid will be volume of solid will be volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So that is 144,000 pi plus 144,000 pi. So that is 288,000 pi. This is of the solid. We need to find the volume of the water left. So in our cylinder, this is the total volume of the cylinder. From the volume of the cylinder, we need to subtract this volume. We need to remove this volume of the solid. And once we remove the volume of the solid, subtract from there, what will be left is the volume of the water. So now let's do that. So we have volume of water left equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of the solid. And volume of cylinder we have found earlier, 648,000, and the solid we found 288,000 pi. There is pi here, and then you can continue, and the answer becomes 36,000 pi. You put your value of your pi and you get your answer.